Okay, I have prepared this little exercise just to show you in creative writing how you might be able to proofread and just improve what you've typed up for somebody to read. So this is Proofreading in English 1. Rewrite this paragraph and include any missing capital letters, commas, or full stops. So they are the most common errors. So if we start with the beginning, we can see already that New Zealand is a proper noun, so that should have capital letters at the start. So we'll fix that one up now. We'll take the Z out and put a capital Z, and we'll take the N out and we'll put a capital N. Of course, New Zealand is a proper noun because it's the name of a country. And it also has a capital because it's starting the sentence. And let's go right to the end. Well, yeah, there should be a full stop there, so we'll stick that one in now. We're not going to go on too long. All right, New Zealand is a beautiful place in the South Pacific Ocean. It is known well. There's one idea. New Zealand is a beautiful place in the South Pacific Ocean. So we need a full stop there because that's the end of that idea. And do you know South Pacific Ocean is the name of a place in the world. So that's also a proper noun. So you definitely need to have capital letters there. So we'll just fix that one up. And we'll double check. New Zealand is a beautiful place in the South Pacific Ocean. It is known throughout the world as a clean, green country with friendly people, wonderful sights, and a unique culture. That's a pretty long sentence, but we do go back to the start there, and this I has got to be turned into a capital letter. It is known throughout the world as a clean, green country with friendly people. Now that's so long you almost lose breath. You know you're going to need a comma. But we'll go here and go, it is known throughout the world as a clean, green country. Well, there's two adjectives, clean and green, together. So we'll put a comma there because you don't always have a comma just when you want to catch your breath. You have it sometimes to divide up adjectives. It is known throughout the world as a clean, green country with friendly, now I'd go a comma there because we're changing our idea. It is known throughout the world as a clean, green country with friendly people, comma, wonderful sights, comma, and a unique culture. Now we're starting to make sense. I'll read that sentence again. It is known throughout the world as a clean, green country with friendly people, wonderful sights, and a unique culture. So when you read a sentence over to yourself, that's the best proofreading you can do. If you read aloud, if you are able to read it aloud, you will be able to pick mistakes in it. Right, well I hope that's helped for your creative writing. Thank you.